As times change rapidly around us, one constant remains. Facilities continue to rely on Chem-Eez, the original heavy-duty degreaser cleaner. The combination of an advanced detergent system, corrosion inhibitors, wetting aids, and powerful solvent action produces rapid emulsification of stubborn, heavy greases and soils. The fast, grease-cutting action minimizes labor and increases productivity. Chem-Eez continues to be the degreaser cleaner of choice in housekeeping, automotive, marine, food packaging, machine shop, and other industrial environments.